Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's how it comes in the box. Yeah. I just opened it and retied the ribbon, so it's a bit messy. So when you take it out from the box, it's rolled up like this, and it's actually really simple to unroll it, straighten it, and just click the corners in place, because each corner has this tabs which you press slightly. Try it. It's really quite satisfying, and really simple. So this is how it looks like. It's brown, or rather, it's called gold in Hermes leather colors. Gold on the inside. It's a gold. I forgot. I'll look it up later. Gold Epsom leather maybe. Plus a felt. Well, I don't know what's the Hermes term for this material, but it's like a dark blue felt material at the back. So it's a very unique and interesting color assortment, really nicely paired. And in the middle of this change tray, you will see the trademark, or rather the famous Hermes logo. Yeah, and the logo shows up both from the inside as well as the outside. Yeah, and you can see there's some light perforation to mark the logo. I mean, it's a design. Yeah, but just for information, there's no way to turn this out and turn it inside out. So there's only, because the tabs only close in one direction, which is with the brown leather or gold color on the inside. Yeah, so there you have it. This is this new item. And just to give you an idea of how many things can go into it, I will fill it right now. So this is the tray. Normal size wallet. Car keys. Some loose items like your jewelry. Maybe a lighter. Yep. So kind of fills the space quite nicely. Personally, I think this is a comfortable size to store your daily necessities like keys and wallets, and maybe your wedding bands. And you can put this near the entrance of your house or on your mantle or TV console for storage. It's simple and elegant and adds a nice touch to any living space.